Yes, be ready for the dictation. Start. The council were not exactly disallowed, but they were certainly discouraged from making submission on the question whether the expression proceeding under used in section 89 bracket 1 of the Act would also include a case at the stage of investigation stop. This is because in the facts and circumstances as stated above, I am clearly of the view that this question does not require to be decided in this reference stop. The position as I see it is like this stop. The case, though having given a list of 52 cases, now wishes to confine its prayer for transfer of cases to the state of Jharkhand only in respect of 36 cases stop. The different sets of accused oppose the prayer stop. The parties are thus in dispute in respect of those 36 cases only stop. As regards the remaining cases still under investigation, those were subject to the control and supervision of the monitoring bench of this court stop. The monitoring bench is in control and supervision of the investigation on the basis of the directions given by the Supreme Court stop. It is therefore not for this full bench to make any comment, much less to sit in appeal on an order passed by the monitoring bench release some of the cases under investigation from its supervision and control stop. Moreover, as noted above, the monitoring bench has taken care not to say anything in respect of the cases which it released from monitoring stop. In case any of the accused are aggrieved by any action of the CBI purporting to act on the basis of that order, such as submitting the final report in those cases before a court which according to the accused may not be the appropriate court, it will always be open to the person aggrieved to seek relief in accordance with law stop. But this full bench will certainly decline to enter into that controversy and to record a finding or issue a direction requiring the monitoring bench to continue to keep under its supervision and control the cases which it has released from monitoring by its order dated 7/12/2000 stop. I will therefore proceed to examine only the 36 cases in which the CBI has already submitted charge sheets after the conclusion of investigation and in respect of which the parties are in dispute as to whether these cases would stand transferred to Jharkhand by virtue of section 89 bracket 1 of the Act stop. The answer to the question whether these 36 cases should stand transferred under section 89 bracket 1 naturally demands a correct understanding of that section, and it is now time to take a look at section 89 of the Act full stop. Over.